So hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Vlogs with Ada here. If you're seeing this face for the first time and you're hearing this voice for the first time, please and please and please click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you know whenever I post any new videos, you don't miss an upload. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching. Thank you so much for always tuning in. As you all know, this channel is all about mom life, lifestyle, food, cooking, everything. This is a family channel. So yeah, so I was just filming a makeup look for this particular makeup that I have on for my beauty channel. If you don't know, I have a beauty channel, Beauty by Ada. You can also check that out. I'll leave the link in the description down below. So if you want to check that out, just feel free to check that out, where we do all the makeup, hair, where we slay our wigs, we do all the braiding and everything. That's my beauty channel, so Beauty by Ada. You can check that out and also subscribe to that channel because you will learn a whole lot of things. I do makeup tutorials and everything there. But this channel, I decided, is dedicated to family, okay? So I decided not to do anything makeup tutorial on here. And we'll be doing just vlogs, cooking, family time, enjoying our moments, right? Enjoying our time. So I was just filming this makeup look, and then the doorbell rang, and I was like, ooh, what's that? And then we have a package. So today, by the title, you already know we are doing an unboxing video. So I want to show you guys what I got from Amazon. I have two more packs right here. I have this right here, and I have this also right here. Wow, that looks like a whole lot, right? I mean, buy, don't mind me, I buy too much. I just like buy like a crazy woman, but that's fine because how do I open up this one right here? Oh gosh. Oh Lord, how did they seal this thing? Why did they seal it so tight? Even if it's pounds and dollar inside, yeah? Which one is this one? Normally I'm just so horrible at opening gifts. Like when you wrap gift and give, I'm so horrible at opening them. So here we go, guys. This is what came in there. This is my daughter, Olivia, she's 6 years old. She just turned 6 in April. And I noticed that I don't like her writing. She's very intelligent, like she's a very smart girl, she's intelligent. But I know, like her teacher told me when I had her last meeting, her teacher was like, you're not expecting her to be an all-rounder, like for her to know everything and to, be everything. I'm like, what do you mean? Like, I mean, her writing, yes, she was like, being intelligent is good enough for me. I should try to like deal with that. I mean, I should be happy that my child is intelligent and she's excelling. That writing shouldn't be a problem. With time, she will get along. But I'm like, what do you mean with time she will get along? I beg, I need to start teaching her so she start knowing that the writing needs to be good. So I came across this in, I think it's Nancy Umay, or who was that again? Yeah, Nancy Umay's Instagram, and I was like, she was like, her child's writing isn't so good, and then she was like, okay, she got this, and then since then her child has improved. Hey, let me just get this book then, if that helps and someone is giving a review. So it's called the Cursive Handwriting Workbooks for Kids. So beginning course, this is a 3-in-1 letter words cursive. I got this too. It's for her age group, I guess. So if your mama's in the house, we mamas, we always having, if your child is having any seeds, uppercase and lower cases, the stroke formation, the coloring, dot to dot method, it has so many things. So she'll be working with this, even though school will be out of session by May 15th. Yeah, that's the last day of their online school, and then summer break begins. So she'll be doing this throughout the summer break and other things that she has to do. So this is very good for mamas out there. If you want to improve your child's handwriting, then you get this. I mean, this is not a paid advert or anything. I've not even tried it out, but I'm already advertising it. But hopefully it works the way it works for Nancy Umay. So this is one of the package. Yeah. Okay, give it up. I have my scissors here just in case. I don't want anything to stress me now. Okay, so back to the second package. Let's see. Titim, titim, titim. Titim. Okay, what is in here? Ooh. Come on, come on. Ooh, okay. This is so box is empty. So you guys, you can imagine if I tell you that I ordered these cake things. Like, if you know, I bake. So I ordered this thing. I actually wanted to bake my son's first birthday cake, like his first year, because I always do that for all of them. I'm the one that bakes their cakes. I would like try to put a picture of Tiffany's cake when she turned 1. I was one that bakes their cake. You need to see my work. Like, you guys need to see this. But then I ordered this thing thinking that it will come before his birthday. You guys, this thing is still coming now. Like, it's just coming now. But anyway, it's not a bad idea, because since I moved here, I was like, I need to start my baking thing again, because I just enjoy cooking. I love cooking, baking, and all those stuff. So I was like, okay, this is going to be fine. Let me just still get it even at that. And it came like in a pack, just like this. So I'm about to open this up. So this is definitely the piping thing, and the Russian piping tips and all those things for maybe decorating cupcakes, like you can see in this picture and all that. So that's fine. Let's see what we have in here right now. I'm not in the mood for this one. I beg. Okay. Like, you guys, I didn't even get to use it to bake this cake, but definitely they still have more birthday cakes to make. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Like, when I went online, I was even thinking it would stress me out. I wrote out the list of everything that I am supposed to buy. I was like, okay, this thing, let me just be buying it, because I already know what I'm supposed to buy as someone who used to bake before. But then I went to Amazon, and I saw this particular thing, and I saw everything inside, and it was like all in this one box. I was like, this is a good deal. I think it was about $20-something. So I was like, this is really a good deal, not bad for starting. I didn't want to I'm not like going to be baking for like industrial kind of baking, but I'm just mainly for us, so I didn't want anything too much. I didn't want anything much. So this was just perfect. Look at those piping tips. Do you know how many piping tips I have here? So I was like, I can have all my baking things again without spending too much. So if you're baking, I know most of us, we like cooking and baking, so this is a good deal. You can get this on Amazon. And then, yeah, look at it. It even has this plastic turntable. It has the plastic turntable, and it has the smoothener. It has it just basically has everything that a cake is supposed to come with. Like, this has everything. You guys, this is a real good deal for me. I won't even lie. It even has okay, they even put in some some cupcake paper, and this is the turntable. Your turntable. This is really, even though I have one turntable here, but this is not a bad idea, so it's still fine. I think this should accommodate up to like a 10 or 12 inches cake. Yeah, so this is also good. And then let's see, this is also what came with it. This is what you use in smoothing your butter icing. And then look at this again, look at that. It has a whole lot in it, and I'm like, this is a really good deal. Then it came with so many piping bags, like so many piping bags. So you guys should better be expecting more baking videos, because my property is here. Hey, oh Lord, my property is here. So more baking videos. The knife already, like you guys already know the knife for the smoothing and all that. I can't believe, and I even love the pink, like it's so girly. So even my kids, they can learn how to bake with this. That's how good it is. So it has everything in there, and the box is empty. This is a really good deal. So we have this right here. So let's see. Okay, you guys, there's some kind of makeup that I want to do. Okay, first let's start. This has my liner in it. These are some of the makeup things. This is the eyeliner, the green one. I wanted a particular makeup look and I looked for this thing and I did not have it. I was like, oh my god, I don't know why I don't have this, but I had to order online. This and this, I have my glitter. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter adhesive. This is the makeup tray. If you're a makeup artist, you know this is the real deal. You know what this is. And then this is my food color for the cake also. This is my food coloring. What's this though? Guys, this is something. This is pillowcases. Just something just like this. I don't know why, but I just love the 4 kind of pillowcases and rugs. That's what I have down here. I just love them. How smooth they are. This is it. I have 4 more pillows here that I have not put on for this, and this is it. So I got them for it, so that's fine. This two right here. Then let's see what this is. Now I remember. So you guys, like most times I always see myself wearing, like, having my natural hair on. So I was like, I needed something that would be quick and easy for me to throw on, like do like a ponytail. You mamas, you know now. You mommies in the house, you know how it is. Doing hair all the time, you don't really have that time. So I saw this ponytail thing and I was, let me bring it out from the back. And I was like, I saw that it had good reviews and I was like, let me just try it out. Wow, I never knew it looked this fine though. Oh, well, this is black. This one is so black. I didn't imagine it would be so black though. That's one thing. I didn't want something, so I wanted like maybe a color 1B. So when I put this on, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Probably after this. You will definitely see me wearing this in one of my videos. So it's basically like when you put it on your hair, like you now wrap it around. That's basically what it is. So this is it. It looks soft though. I don't know how long it might last because I think it was about $16 or so. But it looks soft. So I don't know. I just bought it just for like a ponytail extension. So that's what it is. So this is the end. Is there any other thing? Nothing else. And I have to check my phone to be sure that all my things are complete because I have to just, I don't know, I think I have to check my phone to be sure that everything is complete. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed watching this unboxing video, please give it a thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Click that subscribe button down there and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new upload. You don't miss anything, okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely see you guys in our next video, and by then I'll be rocking this to show you how it is. Okay, thank you for watching. Yeah, so bye.